Hi, I'm Dr. Sampurna Verma. I'm a leading dermatologist and cosmetologist at Derma Redefined Skin Clinic in Ghaziabad near East Delhi. So with the skincare trend setting in and introduction of so many actives, friends, let's not forget about the key ingredient, which is moisturizer, and especially for acne prone skin. Now this is a myth that oily skin or acne prone skin does not require a moisturizer. In fact, on the contrary, if your skin is too dry, the body tends to produce more oil, because of which there is production of extra sebum, which will clog your pores and give you more breakouts. The only thing is that you have to use an ideal and a correct moisturizer. Now the house of BIODERMA has introduced Sebium Hydra, which is a wonderful moisturizer for acne prone skin. It is aqua gel based. The Fluidactiv technology helps in controlling the excess sebum production and also regulates the oxidation of the sebum. It is super hydrating, very light in texture, hence can be used as a base for your makeup. However, it is meant for oily skin, but contents like glycerin and ceramide makes it suitable for all skin types.